All right, so today in math, we are working on writing equations and drawing models with them. Some of them have distributives, so they're kind of like multi-parts, and we'll look at that. But the reason I'm making this video today is when you rate yourself, when you hand this in, whether you think you're a 1 and you need more support, a 2 you're starting to get it but you need a lot more practice, a 3 is you're pretty much on point, and a 4 is you're totally ready to move on. When you rate yourself, when you self-score, sometimes I know that it's hard to self-score if you don't know the answers yourself. So I'm going to go over it and kind of see how you think. Now, this one we did with the class, and this one we did with the class. So when I go over it, I'm going to start with this one. So a Ceratosaurus was 5 times the length of a Microvenator. Okay? A Microvenator was 4 feet long. So a lot of times when I create the model, I think about what I know. So the M, the Microvenator, and I label it M, was 4 feet long. And now I'm looking at this Ceratosaurus was 5 times the length. That means it was bigger. And how much bigger? 5 times bigger. So whatever this one was 5 times as much. So I'm going to draw 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so this can be my model. And so whatever the length of this whole piece is, that's how much this Ceratosaurus is. So now, how much is this Ceratosaurus? Well, it's 5 of these. So 5 times 4 equals 20. So it's 5 of them, and which makes sense because this would be 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay, so my equation has an equal sign. This one, Aiden's recipe calls for 3 times as many carrots as peas. If Aiden uses 2 cups of peas, how many cups of carrots will, it's supposed to be he, use. Okay, Aiden calls for 3 times as many carrots as peas. 2 cups of peas. I always look for what I know. It's almost like I have a magnifying glass and I'm looking for what I know. So I'm already going to draw what I know. So 2 cups of peas. Aiden's recipe calls for 3 times as many carrots. So 3 times as many carrots. So once as many, twice as many, 3 times as many carrots. So this is all going to be carrots. Okay, this whole thing is going to be carrots. So if this was 2, then this is 2, 2, and 2. So my equation shows me that 3 of these, so 3 of these equals carrots, which 3 times 2 is 6. So this would be 6 cups of carrots. Okay, by the way, if you are confused and you're starting to feel like you're more down here, we are going to have small groups as well, okay? So this is the last one I'm going to do for now, and I'm going to save the rest for small group, okay? You're still going to do them. You're going to do your best with them, but at least you're getting an idea. So remember, I'm going over this to give you an idea for this. This is kind of like I really need more help understanding. This is like I'm a little confused. I'm starting to get it, but I need more practice. So confused/practice. This is like I'm getting it. I'm feeling good with it. I'm getting the skill. And this is ready to move on. Okay? So just thinking about where you're at so far. So we're going to do one more example on this video. Each of the boys in this classroom has 5 tickets. Sorry, each of the 6 boys. Really close reading. 6 boys, 5 tickets. The girls have 2 times as many tickets as the boys. Okay. Model. 6 boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know what? They don't look like your regular round faces, but I can pretend those are the boys, right? And they each have 5 tickets. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Each of the 6 boys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, has 5 tickets. 1, 2, so this one has 5, this one has 5, this one has 5, this 5, 5, 5. Good. The girls have 2 times as many tickets as the boys. So whatever this works out to be, the girls have 1 times as many, 2 times as many. So this one's really tricky. So what I'm saying is, it's almost like it's multi-step. First, I need to figure out how many the boys have. So to do that, I would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. 6 times 5. And then the girls have twice as many. So whatever this is, I'd have to multiply it by 2. So 6 times 5, and you can count here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That's going to work out to be 30. And now I'm looking at 30 times 2 equals 60. So it's almost multi-step here. So my equation looks a little bit more complex. So when you do the next couple of models, you're going to have a little bit of both, okay? I want you to do your best and see how you feel. And remember, if you need more help, we're going to do small group, okay? So depending on how you rate yourself, if you need more practice, we'll get it for you, all right? Good job.